In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store in Pakistan in just 5 minutes. Starting an online store is a thrilling journey, and Shopify makes this process incredibly smooth and straightforward, even if you're operating from Pakistan. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or looking to expand your existing business online, Shopify provides a robust platform to sell your products across the globe. First things first, let's navigate to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. If you're new to Shopify, this part marks the beginning of an exciting venture into the world of e-commerce. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email account that you have access to, as Shopify will send important information regarding your store to this email. After entering your email address, you'll be directed to another page to input your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, a central hub for your Shopify store operations. Shopify's user-friendly interface ensures that you're never overwhelmed and can easily navigate through various tasks. Now onto the aesthetics of your store, which is crucial for attracting and retaining customers. Shopify offers a variety of themes to choose from. Don't rush this step. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and the products you're selling. After selecting a theme, you'll have the option to try theme, which is a great way to see how it looks with your products and content. After settling on a theme, click on Customize. This area is your creative playground where you can tweak the theme to match your brand's look and feel precisely. Shopify's customization options are comprehensive, enabling you to adjust layouts, colors, and fonts, and even add slideshows or videos to make your store stand out. Next, it's vital to focus on the operational side of things, starting with your products. Navigate to the Products section and click on Add Product. Here you can input your product's name, description, pricing, and images. A detailed product page can significantly influence a customer's decision to purchase, so take your time with this step. After listing your products, address the backend settings to ensure your store operates smoothly. Click on Settings, then proceed to set up your payment gateways. Shopify supports various payments methods, ensuring you can cater to customers both in Pakistan and internationally. Following payments, your next step is to set up shipping and delivery. Shopify allows you to define shipping rates, and if you're focusing on local customers, you can set up local delivery options specifically for Pakistan. This is an excellent feature that enables you to provide better service to your local customer base. Finally, securing a custom domain for your store is essential. It adds a level of professionalism and makes it easier for customers to find and remember your store. Shopify simplifies this process, allowing you to purchase a domain directly through their platform. Throughout this journey, from signing up on Shopify to finalizing your store's settings, remember that your store is a reflection of your brand. Take your time to ensure each setting and selection is precisely how you want it. Shopify's various support articles and community forums are excellent resources if you find yourself needing a bit of guidance along the way. Launching your Shopify store represents a significant step towards realizing your entrepreneurial dreams. With patience, creativity, and a bit of technical setup, your online store will be up and running, ready to welcome customers from Pakistan and beyond. I hope this guide has made the process seem less daunting and more exciting. Remember, every successful store starts with the first step, and you're well on your way. Here's to your success in the online world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials like this.